You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x smaller than 20 over 13 smaller than 17 over 13. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Add 4 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 5 over 13. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x smaller than 20 over 13 smaller than 17 over 13.